Hello and welcome! Today we will explore how Alexander the Great left his mark on world history. Alexander, who was the king of Macedonia, lived in the 4th century BC and is considered one of the greatest military leaders in world history. Alexander set out with the goal of establishing an empire as soon as he ascended to the throne at a young age. He first united Macedonia and then expanded the empire by conquering the Persian Empire. These conquests increased cultural and commercial interaction between the West and the East and laid the foundations for a new world order. Alexander's conquests were not just about territorial gains. His military campaigns carried Greek culture and knowledge to the civilizations of the East. This paved the way for the birth of Hellenistic culture and the spread of Greek philosophy, science, and art to Asia and Africa. This period is known for increased interaction between different cultures. Alexander's influence continued after his death. His empire was divided into many small kingdoms after his death, but his achievements left a deep and lasting impact on world history. His conquests increased cultural and commercial relations between the West and the East, inspiring future generations. In conclusion, Alexander the Great had a significant and lasting impact on world history. Remembered as one of the leaders who fundamentally changed the world, his military achievements and cultural influence continue to be recognized.